Good morning. This is Miss Harder, and we are going to go over homework 5.2.1. Your focus problems are 527, 528, and 529. Cool, cool, cool. All right, 527 basically is a proportional rate. So if you look at it, to take a ride to school, Elaine takes 7 minutes to ride her bike 18 blocks. What is her unit rate blocks per minute? And then assuming she rides at a constant speed, how long will it take her to go 50 blocks? Justify your answer. In this minute, we are going to do an X and Y table. Okay. So first off, they want a unit rate, X, Y. So that's where it is at 1. Okay. And, hold on. So, yeah. They at 7 minutes, she went 18 blocks. They also want to know how many minutes it took her to go 50 blocks. So in this, you can totally do this by dividing 7 into 18. 7 goes 2 times. You have 14. You have 4 left over. You bring down the 0, and then you have 7 goes into 40. It goes into 40, 7 times, because that's 49. Or no, excuse me. No, 5. 35. Perfect. So you have 2.5. So the unit rate for every minute, she goes 2.5 blocks. So in this, you're just going to take this 2.5, right? And you are going to divide it into 50, and then you'll get your time. Cool. So yeah, an X and Y table works really well. See, 2 minutes, she'll go 5 blocks. 3 minutes, it's going to be 7.5. Just like we've been doing. All right, on 5-28 is really where I want to focus. This is about reading a graph. Okay, Gail and Leslie are riding a friendly 60-mile bike race that starts at noon. Here's the starting time at noon. This is the time of day. This is the distance in miles. What does the intersection of the two lines represent? It represents when they actually cross paths. All right. At approximately what time did Leslie pass Gail? Well, if you look and line it up, you could take a ruler to do it too. I'm getting about 2 o'clock. All right, so answer the questions to this and focus on reading the graph. Okay, write an equation for the rule for the X and Y tables below. Well, first off, I'm going to do A on 5.29. The X and Y table is this. Every time you get an X and Y table that they want you to look at, you're going to want to do it just like we do it. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember that your 0 is the B, and your slope is whatever is right here. So on this one, they've given you, the clues are 2 and 5, 8 and 23, 7, 8, and 23. And then they're giving you a -3 and 10. So what happened to 2 to get to 5? This is exactly what we've done before. And 2 and 23. So what I'm thinking in my mind's eye, if you look, is it just adding 3? If it was just adding 3, then this would be 11. The answer here would be 11. So it can't be that. Okay? It can't be that. Could it be maybe multiplied by 2 and add 1? That would make this right. Would it make this one right? Not necessarily. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 would be 17, not 23. What if we did this? What if we multiplied this by 3 and then subtract 1? What about this one? That seems about right. So if we did this, if we had y equal